Today, I'm going to show you how to get the weekly free games from the Epic Games Store quickly and easily. If you like simple gaming tutorials that save you money, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Epic Games launcher on your computer, or if you prefer, you can visit the Epic Games Store in your browser. Both methods work, so just use whichever one is easiest for you. Once the store loads, you'll be on the main homepage where Epic usually features its current promotions. Now, scroll down the page until you find the free games section. Epic updates this area every week, and this is where you'll find the titles that you can claim for free during the promotion period. Take a moment to look through the games that are currently available, because the free selection can change every week. When you find the current free game or games, click on the game you want to claim. This will open the Games Store page, where you can see more details, screenshots, and the option to add it to your account. On this page, look for the Get button. This is the key step, because clicking Get starts the process of adding the game to your library. After you click Get, Epic will take you through the checkout process. Don't worry, the price should show as free, so you should not be charged anything for the game. Just review the order carefully and make sure everything looks correct before you continue. Once you confirm the checkout, the game will be added to your Epic Games account permanently, as long as you claim it during the free promotion window. That's really all there is to it. Once the checkout is complete, you can go to your library and download the game whenever you're ready. This is one of the easiest ways to build your PC game collection without spending money, and the best part is that Epic gives away new games on a regular basis. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free games from the Epic Games Store.